Hello, and welcome to Everyday American English. Do you want to understand how American families really talk in the morning? These are very common sentences Americans use every morning. You can use them at home, at work, or while speaking with friends. Let's listen to a natural morning conversation. Listen carefully. Good morning? Did you sleep well? Morning? Yeah, pretty well. I woke up once but went back to sleep. Same here. Coffee's ready if you want some. Definitely. I need it today. Mom, what's for breakfast? Eggs and toast. I can also make cereal if you're in a hurry. Eggs are fine. Can I have ketchup? Sure. Sit down. I'll bring it. Dad, are you taking me to school today? Yes, but we need to leave in 20 minutes. So please eat quickly. Okay, I'm almost done. Don't forget your lunchbox. It's on the counter. Mom, where's my backpack? Check near the sofa. You left it there last night. All right, everyone. Let's get moving. It's going to be a busy morning. Have a good day, everyone. You too, Mom. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Did you sleep well? Coffee's ready. What's for breakfast? Are you in a hurry? I am almost done. Don't forget your lunchbox. Let's get moving. Have a good day. These are very common sentences Americans use in the morning. Practice them every day. To speak English confidently. Thank you for listening. Practice this conversation every day. If you want to speak English confidently, subscribe to Everyday American English for daily English conversations. See you in the next video.